good day. My name is Susulin Pansoy. I am 24 years old. I'm from Alabel, Sarangani Province, Philippines. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Physical Education year 2021-2022. I am a loving, caring, responsible, and independent individual. I currently live with my parents along with their dogs and cats. I have two brothers. My older brother is married but no children, and my younger brother is still studying in college. My mother is a housewife, and my father works in construction. I currently working in provincial health office as administrative aide. In my free time, I love spending time with the family, swimming, traveling, cooking, playing with our dogs, and watching movies. I like horror, comedy, action, and crime movies. My favorite foods are pork humba and adobo. I am very passionate when it comes to children. I have gained year of experience in childcare aged 3 to 10 years old. When COVID-19 spread through my country and I had to move my studies online, I decided to live in my cousin's house so I could use their internet access. She has two children, one boy and one girl. When she and her husband were at work, I'm the one who took care of their children. In my daily routine, I prepare their breakfast, bath them, prepare their clothes. After breakfast, I help them to answer their modules, tell them stories, and playing with them with their hobbies such as TikTok dance, painting, coloring the books, and creating fun outdoors games. I am prepared and aware of the fact that being a parent is like a big sister of your children. I will ensure this children's safety. I can do a household work also, such as cleaning the house, cooking, doing laundries, and shopping for groceries. And thank you, and I hope you will choose me as a candidate of Sunshine Au Pair. Thank you and God bless to everyone. Bye bye.